Welcome to Lehigh Acres, Florida. This beautiful home you see behind me is located in the central eastern part of the area of Lehigh Acres, Florida. Really close, just a few minutes away from State Road 82, which essentially crosses the state of Florida from east to west. So from here, you can easily gain access to the east part of Florida through State Road 82. You can also find yourself through I-75 and other parts as well. So it's very accessible to many main roads for the state of Florida and also for the surrounding areas as well, like Fort Myers, Cape Coral, Naples, etc. Now, this beautiful home has over 1,500 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It's fully tiled all throughout the home. And speaking of tiles, it has this beautiful tile in the vanity as well as in the shower that I haven't seen before. It's very original. Come with me as we tour this beautiful home. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And also don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And if you want more information on this home, I ask you to please call me, text me. I'm always available at 239-371-7171. My name is Danny Poole with Realty One Group MVP. And if you don't want to call or text me and you rather just want to know information of the home, like the price and address, I'm going to leave it in the link in the description below.